Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a tutorial on these small to medium twists using bulk hair. This is my first time experimenting with bulk hair. I can't lie, I was a bit intimidated, a bit nervous, but as you can see, came all the way through. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It looks super natural, so lightweight, so soft. Absolutely obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. So let's get into this hair, which I will be showing you a little bit later, but again, this is from QVR. This is the Afro Kinky bulk hair. So I was sent 5 packages. I have 1 full package left of the natural black. In the 20-inch, I had 3 of these, so I used 1 full packet. And then I have this left out of a packet. And then I also got 2 packs of the color 30. So this is what's left out of those 2 packs. So 5 packs, way more than enough. I did this with about 4 packs, maybe 3.5. This hair does go a long way. It is very easy to separate. I'll show you a little bit later what the entire pack looked like, but literally all you do is just separate a piece, braid it in. I used 2 pieces about this size for this thickness, but yeah, absolutely loving it. So let's get right into this tutorial. So let me show you what the hair looks like. So this is the color 30. Again, this is from QVR, Afro Kinky bulk hair. It's 100% unprocessed human hair. So it comes like this in a net. And I can't even lie, I was definitely intimidated by this hair when I first saw it, but it is so easy to separate. It's pillow soft, and it doesn't have that stinky smell. So it separates very easy. So what I did is I took the bundle, split it in half, separates just that easy, and then split the half in half, and then I just worked in pieces. And let me show you how small of a section that I'm using. So this is the natural black color. This is the size sections that I'm using for the twist. And these are like small to medium size twists. I did want them kind of thick, so this is the sections that I'm using for each piece, and I'm using 2 of these. So I start with 1 piece, twist it in, and then I feed in second piece, but let me just show you. So also for these twists, I am using the Love Your Locks Mega Firm Holding 5-in-1 Lockdown from Jamaican Mango and Lime. Absolutely loving this. I'm using my crochet needle and a comb. That's it. section below. Have you tried human bulk hair before? They also do have a different texture. I believe it's called the V-Bulk. I'll link the name up above. But if you have not tried QVR yet, definitely want to check them out. I will leave all the information in the description box where you can purchase your hair. And I do know that they are running sales right now. And the hair comes in a variety of colors. I'll put those colors on the screen as well as in the description box below. But yes, I'm absolutely loving this hair. Looks super natural. Definitely gotta get my hands on more of this hair. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.